Yo quiero dinero.
Now go to work, bitch.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Angie Brito, and today we're gonna be doing this makeup look that I created with the DESIxKATY collection by Dose of Colors. And I have to say that I am in love with this collection. If you want to see how I created this look, keep on watching. I already did my eyebrows and my foundation off camera so I could save some time, but right now I'm gonna go ahead and start using my FRIENDCATION palette. Look at how gorgeous it is. I'm gonna go ahead and start with the color Necessary, which is this one right here, and put that all over my crease. And I'm gonna use that as my transition color. Why is it raining right now? I'm trying to film. I really don't know what look I'm going for, so I'm just using my imagination. A ver qué sale. With the same brush, I'm gonna grab this color right here called Churro, and I'm gonna go over what I just did. I was super excited to get this collection. The colors are looking gorgeous. I don't know if you can see them on camera because my lighting sucks right now, and that's because I don't have my ring light. I left it at my boyfriend's house. Now we're gonna grab another thinner brush, and we're gonna go with Sheens. This color brown right here, and then we're gonna put that in the corner of our eye, in the outer corner of our eye. Circular motions. I feel like this is a challenge after a challenge because I'm doing this look without my ring light, without my camera because my camera is also at his house, and I'm currently using my cell phone. I'm gonna make sure we're blending those three colors together. I love the pigmentation of this eyeshadow. Okay, with the concealer brush, we are going to clean up our cut crease. Wish me luck! This is my first time trying it. Now that we cleaned up with concealer or eyelid, we are going to use a flat brush like this one to add the color. I'm gonna be using this one right here, Dirty Money, because yo quiero dinero. So we're just gonna tap it on to the concealer. It looks so pretty, guys. Now we're going back with that little brush and grabbing oh baby, are you okay? Oh my god, it's fine. We're gonna grab this color again. Bitch, you see this right here? I don't know if this was my nail, but I'm freaking mad now. We're gonna put it in the outer corner again and blend it with Dirty Money. I feel like we're pretty much done with the eyeshadow. So now I'm just gonna add my lashes. For my eyelashes, I'm gonna be using that Chignon. I don't know if I'm saying it right, but Chignon sounds like Chingon lashes by Kiss. You see? I'm just waiting for the glue to dry a little bit so I can put them on. Ya quedé bien chula tú. So we're gonna go back with chins and put it in your lower lashes. Como soy bien paisa, I'm gonna use my Super Lash mascara. This is my all-time favorite mascara. I think it's the brush that I love. I'm gonna contour my face off camera. I'll be right back. Now that I look crazy, we're gonna grab our highlighter, which is Fuego.
Fuego, fuego, the roof is on fire. We don't need no water, let the mother burn.
And we're gonna highlight. And then we get rid of the powder that we were using to bake. Look at this highlight, guys. And we're gonna use this lipstick right here, Aftermath. We're gonna go with Aftermath. I think this is my favorite lipstick of their collection. Okay, so this is the final look. Shout out to my boyfriend for getting me the collection. He actually got me the first one and now he got me the second one. So I can wait for the third one, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I will see you guys on my next video.